Top travel apps you need for your next trip in 2025. Planning a trip in 2025 means more than just booking flights and packing bags.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Today's travelers want smooth experiences, from landing in a new country to navigating language barriers, booking last-minute stays, or even checking in with family back home. That's where technology plays a big role, especially eSIMs and travel apps. If you're traveling to destinations like Taiwan, using a travel eSIM Taiwan ensures you stay online without needing physical SIM cards or costly roaming plans. Combine this with the right travel apps, and you have a powerful toolkit for a seamless adventure. Navigation made easy, maps that work anywhere. Reliable navigation systems make it much simpler to move around a new country. Google Maps provides users with time-sensitive transit information, walking directions, and offline map downloads. The mobile applications Maps. Me and Citymapper offer detailed route mapping that works best in urban areas, including Taipei and Kaohsiung. Your travel eSIM operates optimally with a stable internet connection, which you can maintain by installing when you arrive, thus avoiding unreliable public Wi-Fi networks. People using navigation apps ensure they never lose sight of their travel destinations while moving between Techung buses or finding obscure temples. Booking on the go, hotels, flights, and more. In 2025, flexibility is key. Today's travelers primarily use mobile applications to purchase hotel rooms and travel tickets while on the move. By using Booking.com and Agoda and Skyscanner, users can automatically check multiple booking offers. Mobile applications in Taiwan enable users to buy high-speed rail and intercity bus fares, while network connectivity to local telecom systems delivers better performance. Travelers can book and confirm their itinerary seamlessly, thanks to travel eSIM mobile connections, which maintain dependable online access even for spontaneous decisions. Translating the experience, language help in real time. Language differences turn everyday duties such as food ordering and path navigation into demanding situations. Foreign travelers should bring the translation apps Google Translate and PassGo because they function effectively in countries that do not use English as their primary language. The applications support voice recognition and text translation of images such as signs or menus while offering conversation functions for improved communication. People with eSIM-equipped devices gain immediate access to these instruments, which operate upon request. The unique features of these apps assist travelers during nighttime visits to Taiwanese markets and rural locations, as well as local transit operations. Currency and budget tracking apps for smart spending. Travel budgets become more manageable through applications that provide budget tracking systems. You can make currency conversions and track costs through XeCurrency alongside Trail Wallet. The devices are essential tools to support places that work only with cash since credit cards might not be accepted. A connection to live exchange rate data allows these features to function accurately, but such updates are possible only when an internet connection exists. The smooth functioning of budget updates during travel relies on a travel eSIM to guarantee refreshing exchange rates, thus preventing money loss and wrong budgeting throughout your trip. Offline entertainment and cloud storage. Enjoying journeys by air or rail and the damp weather days require entertainment options. The entertainment platform Netflix, with Spotify and Kindle applications, provides an option for users to pre-download their content. Wider access to internet connection becomes necessary for users who need cloud-based storage or want to back up photos or edit travel reels using apps like Google Photos, Dropbox, and Lightroom Mobile. SIM-enabled access allows you to maintain internet connectivity for backing up photos and video calls or work with friends online, even in crowded cafes and hotel lobbies without Wi-Fi. The capability of using eSIM access proves beneficial when digital nomads and content creators explore the scenic locations in Taiwan. Emergency and health apps for peace of mind. Topics regarding personal safety rank as the major concerns for people who travel. Savvy Traveler and travel insurance platforms and the Red Cross First Aid app provide peace of mind through their services. When seeking emergency help in Taiwan, quick response times are standard practice, yet obtaining proper communication methods alongside real-time location tracking proves very useful. When paired with a travel digital SIM, the apps function optimally with reliable internet connectivity. The ability to connect helps you find necessary healthcare facilities and keeps your family members secure.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.